Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you EcoBath's eco-friendly bathroom ceiling material. It is shaped like a wing and it has this slight upwards curve that will make your bathroom look so much higher and so much more spacious. EcoBath is a company that really cares about its customers, so it only uses top quality materials. This ceiling material is made of ABS, which is an excellent, highly functional, eco-friendly and very innovative substance that is also called thermoplastic resin. Inside, it also has sound absorption materials, so it blocks the noise between floors. Moreover, it's very easy to take care of because it does not collect mold or moisture. Apart from this basic version, you can also get other special versions. For example, you can have LEDs in the center, or a Bluetooth speaker, or a clock. So there are diverse things that you can do with this ceiling piece. This product can also be customized to fit the size of your bathroom. Right now, DIYing your interior is a big trend, right? So if you also want to change up the atmosphere in your house and make your bathroom look more special and more spacious, then EcoBath's eco-friendly bathroom ceiling material would be the perfect product for you.